If the rotating
Oh,
chain at the
yeah.
tip of the bar hits something solid, the chainsaw can suddenly kick back
Yep.
toward the operator.
As an ER doctor, I've seen this more than a few times.
Now, unfortunately, this usually
Oh my
happens
gosh.
in the face or neck region.
Yep. We're always talking about zone 2 of the neck. Major blood vessels to this area only covered by some simple skin and muscles. You got all those funny lines, and then you got the sternocleidomastoid, you got your scalene muscles. They're there to protect and help with movements of the neck, but they're also there to protect the major structures underneath